In this video, we present the top 12 nonprofit case management software platforms. But first, here is the situation. Did you know that about 63% of nonprofit organizations are still dealing with outdated systems or disconnected and siloed tools, including spreadsheets like Excel? In fact, a lot of organizations, nonprofit organizations, say that administrative inefficiencies, as well as manual documentation and manual efforts, are slowing down their service delivery and making it harder for them to track and manage their programs and client outcomes effectively. Which is why in this video, we are presenting you with the top 12 nonprofit software tools so that you know exactly which software fits your organizational size, budget, and caseload. Stay with me until the end because we will also show you how to get started today with a free trial to one of the top nonprofit software platforms featured in this video. Before we dive into the rankings, it is important to understand how we evaluated these nonprofit software platforms. We looked at factors including how easy were they to use? What about reporting capability? A lot of nonprofit organizations have said many times how reporting capabilities is very important for them to be able to report out to stakeholders in order for them to track their overall practice. And so we looked at reporting capabilities, we looked at integrations, we looked at compliance, and we also looked at overall value for nonprofit organizations. The first platform on our list is Case Management Hub. Case Management Hub is built for nonprofits, charities, NGOs, and nonprofit organizations that want an all in one platform to manage their entire practice, including case management, reporting, client program, as well as community activities, and also staff coordinations. One reason why many organizations consider Case Management Hub one of the best nonprofit software is because it combines all of these different elements: case tracking, notes, reporting, task management, collaboration tools, messaging, the ability to automatically send out forms and documents, the ability to upload documents. All of these capabilities are things that Case Management Hub provides. It helps nonprofit staff automate repetitive workflows so you can spend more time delivering services instead of managing siloed activities or manual effort. Another advantage is its reporting functionality. This type of centralized visibility across your different programs, across your different staff workloads, as well as across the different reporting metrics that are important for your organization, all of this centralized visibility can have a major operational improvement for your organization. What is the catch, though? The catch is that uh, large organizations that need advanced workflows might need a little bit more time with onboarding as well as customization. Case Management Hub is really designed for small to mid-sized teams that are interested in an easy to use platform that provides them with all of the different features and capabilities that they need for their organization without complexity. Who else do we have on the list? We have Apricot by Bonterra. They are built for mid-size and enterprise nonprofit organizations that need very strong compliance capabilities and reporting. This particular platform helps organizations centralize client records, manage digital forms, and simplify grant reporting requirements. Many nonprofit organizations also appreciate the ability to track measurable outcomes and generate reports uh, for individuals that they get funding from. So donors and people providing them with funding. Here is the catch. Pricing can increase as organizations add users, programs, and advanced configurations, which may impact smaller nonprofit budgets. The next on this list is Casebook. They are built for human services organizations that are managing complex social service workflows and coordinated care. This platform helps nonprofit staff consolidate assessments, service plans, case notes, and client information into one centralized system. It also improves collaboration across departments and service providers, which is especially valuable for organizations managing very, very high caseloads. What is the catch? The catch is that some advanced customization may require implementation support or technical assistance during setup. The next platform on our list is Charity Tracker. And just to provide a quick update, the approach we are using is this. We want to provide you with a comparison overview of each one of these platforms. And then when we are done in a few minutes' time, we will now go over our recommendation as to which specific platform you should go with based on your organizational needs. So, Charity Tracker is built for nonprofits that are looking for a more affordable client tracking and referral management solution. Organizations use Charity Tracker to document services, manage referrals, measure community impact across multiple platforms, multiple programs. Now, here is something we've heard from smaller nonprofit organizations. They say they appreciate how Charity Tracker provides their key nonprofit case management functionality without overwhelming them with unnecessary complexities. Here is a catch though. The catch is that the interface may feel less modern compared to a lot of the newer nonprofit software platforms currently on the market. The next on our list is CareLogic by Qualifax, which is built for behavioral health organizations and nonprofits that are delivering clinical or healthcare related services. This platform helps organizations streamline clinical documentation, scheduling, billing, and compliance processes. Nonprofit organizations that are handling complex healthcare requirements often value the platform's structured workflows and operational controls. What is the catch? The catch is that this platform is generally better suited for larger organizations with formalized clinical processes rather than small to mid-sized nonprofit and community organizations. The next platform on our list of top nonprofit software is ETO by Bonterra. This platform is built for nonprofits that are focused heavily on what we call outcomes tracking and program measurements. The platform helps organizations to track participant progress over time and, and evaluate program effectiveness using a data driven reporting approach. This can be especially useful for nonprofits that need very strong impact measurement reporting for grants and reporting to their stakeholders and donors. What's the catch though? Here's the catch. The catch is that setting up reports and advanced data tracking can involve a steep learning curve for a lot of people. Also, note that ETO is being merged with Apricot. Both of these platforms are owned by the same organization, Bonterra, and Bonterra is integrating both of them into one. The next platform on our list is Exponent Case Management. They are built for organizations that need flexible workflows and coordinated case management processes. What do I mean by that? Well, the platform helps nonprofit staff improve documentation, consistency, and also manage service delivery more efficiently as they standardize operational procedures across different teams. What is the catch, though? The catch is that it currently offers a smaller integration ecosystem compared to some of the larger enterprise nonprofit software platforms. The next on this list is Find Help, which was previously known as Aunt Bertha. This is built for organizations focused on social care referrals and community resource coordination. Find Help allows nonprofit staff to connect clients with local housing, food assistance, healthcare, transportation, and other community services through a searchable referrer network. This can significantly improve resource accessibility for underserved, not undeserved, underserved populations. What is the catch though? The catch is that it is more focused on referrals and social resource coordination rather than full end to end nonprofit case management practice workflows. Calendar Care Solutions is next on our list. They are built for foster care agencies, child welfare organizations, and family service providers. The platform supports placement management, caregiver tracking, compliance reporting, and child welfare documentation processes. Organizations that operate in regulated child services environments often appreciate the platform's specialized functionality. The catch is that its specialized and very targeted narrow focus may not align well with other nonprofits outside foster care or child welfare sectors. Let us now quickly go over the remaining three on our list, after which we will jump into our recommendation as to which one of these you should go with based on your organization type, needs, and budget. Next on this list is Penelope by Athena Software. They are built for nonprofits managing multiple programs, services, and client populations. Organizations use this platform to combine scheduling, service tracking, documentation, and reporting under one centralized platform. Many social service agencies talk about how they appreciate the ability to coordinate operations across departments without relying on multiple disconnected systems. Here's the catch. The catch is that some users report a steeper learning curve during initial implementation and staff onboarding. Next on this list is Salesforce Nonprofit Cloud. They are built for large nonprofits that need enterprise level customization and CRM functionality. The platform allows organizations to connect donor management, client services, fundraising, and program operations within a highly configurable ecosystem. Large nonprofit organizations often value the scalability and flexibility available through Salesforce extensive platform capabilities. What is the catch? The catch is that customization, implementation, and ongoing administration can become expensive and resource intensive for organizations without a dedicated technical IT support staff. Last on this list is Unite Us. They are built for organizations coordinating cross sector community care networks and referrer partnerships. The platform simplifies referrals between healthcare providers, nonprofits, social service agencies, and community organizations. Many nonprofits use this platform to improve collaboration and close gaps in care coordination across local ecosystems. What is the catch? The catch is that it is more focused on referral network coordination than traditional nonprofit practice management or full nonprofit case management software. Next, let us provide you with our recommendation as which one to go with. For nonprofits organizations that are looking for a centralized, all in one nonprofit practice management that allows you to manage all your cases, staff, referrers, funding, and programs, as well as easy tracking and reporting, then you want to go with Case Management Hub. Case Management Hub, in this case, is the strongest overall recommendation. Now, for nonprofits that are heavily focused on impact measurement, grant reporting, and very long term outcomes tracking, ETO by Bonterra stands out as a strong contender for your organization to go with. What about if your organization delivers behavioral health or clinical services? Then you want to consider going with CareLogic by Qualifax. Why? Because they better align with healthcare workflows and compliance requirements. And if your primary focus is coordinating referrals and connecting clients with community services, then Unite Us, Find Help, and Case Management Hub are platforms for you to consider. Then you want to consider Calendar Care Solutions or Case Management Hub if your organization is a foster care or child welfare organization. These two provide specialized tools to help you operate as your environment is considered a highly regulated environment. And if your organization simply needs affordable and straightforward client tracking, then Charity Tracker can be an optional, in a way, a practical option for smaller teams. What if you have or you require advanced customization as well as enterprise CRM, customer relationship management functionality? If these are top priorities, then Salesforce Nonprofit Cloud is who you want to go with. And if you need multi-program coordination for social services organizations, then Penelope by Athena Software or Case Management Hub are two options for you to go with. At the beginning of this video, I mentioned how we will provide you with free access to one of these top nonprofit software, and here it is. Click on the link below this video where it says free trial to Case Management Hub, and that will bring you to this page. Just enter your first name, your last name, email, and also you can provide your phone number for two-way authentication. Enter your organization name and then select your practice area. And when you click on Start My Free Trial, you will be brought to this main dashboard. Let us go over a few things very quickly. As you can see here, this platform, Case Management Hub, is designed to help nonprofit staff to streamline their case tracking, to simplify their workflows, and also improve reporting, as well as reducing administrative workflow. You can very quickly add clients. You can do that manually, or you can import a spread via a spreadsheet. When adding clients, you can very easily assign to different staff. You can assign them to specific programs, or you can specify specific referrer where the client is coming from. You can also create programs and then group your clients under those programs. That way you can better track and manage clients per program. You can schedule appointments. And when I say you, I'm talking about you. And if you have other staff members, you all can do the same thing. You all can schedule appointments with clients to ensure that you can have one-on-one or group sessions. Clients are not just individuals. There are so many times where you have to group clients as part of a group, either as part of a community or a couple, in which case you can create a group. It's very easy for you to do that. You can add notes. You can assign tasks. So for example, you can assign a task to yourself, or you can assign a task to another client, or to another staff. You can assign tasks to clients as well as to groups. You can also specify due dates, and anyone you assign this task to will be notified that you've assigned a task to them. They will see the due date, and they will also see what the task is related to. You can send intake forms to specific clients, or you can even send intake forms to staff. If you have other staff, it's very easy for you to add them to your free trial, and they will be notified that you've added them. You can assign employee role, whereby that staff will only have access to clients that you assign to them, or you can give them admin roles so they can see all clients in the system. And if you look to your left, you will see how you can do messaging. You can have direct, secure, HIPAA compliant messaging with clients and other staff. You could also do referrers and also referrer partners. You can enter referrer partners into the system. And all of this data you're seeing on my screen are really sample data for today's demo to you. You can schedule appointments, you can send out intakes, you can even send out letters, and we provided you with sample letters that you can use. So go ahead and test out this platform. And if you have other staff members, also add them to this platform so you can all test it out to see if this covers all your organizational needs. And once again, no credit card needed. You can try it out for 21 days to ensure that this is the platform for you. And don't forget to like this video, as that allows us to know that you received value from it. That way we can create and publish similar types of videos to continue to provide value. You can also subscribe to the channel. That way, whenever we publish great content like this one, you will be notified.